drift away from the meaning, and the sun melts the chill from our lives. Held